Wish you a fresh and pleasant morning, students. It's 6 in the morning and I am making lectures for you. I hope you are enjoying your lectures and putting efforts towards your studies. So, we are going to start with lecture number 7, ISC class 12th, chapter number 1. So, in this session, we are going to start new topic, that is adjustment in the close accounts. What is this adjustment in closed account? When the accounts are being made, that means final account are being made and there are certain transactions which are not dealt properly or are omitted, so we make adjustment in the accounts of the partner by passing a single journal entry. We need not to remake the final account, we just take the impact of such transaction and treat it among the partners capital or current account as the case may be. And how we used to do for this, we need to prepare one table that is known as table showing adjustment. Let's go to the question to make this concept more clear. So, question number 42 you can see on your screen. This is question as per the latest edition of DK Goyal. You just go through it. We are going to start. A, B, C, and D are partners sharing profit in the ratio 2 is to 2 is to 1 is to 1, and they have already distributed the profit of 9 lakh without providing. See, without providing, that means salary to A and B and D are not treated, and you have to pass a adjusting journal entry to make this transaction count. So how we are going to do it? So ratios are given to you, then profit is given to you, and it has been distributed, but they have not paid the salary of A, B, D, that means it has been omitted. So how we are going to treat this? Let's see the solution. Here will at the top will write table showing adjustment. Now when salary is to be given to the partner, so A would get 1,80,000, B will get 120, and D will get 120. Okay. Now when the partners will get the salary, their capital account will be credited, isn't it? That's why I have written credited here. See, because it's an income for the partner and it will increase the capital of the partner. Now if I will pay this 4,20,000, what was our profit? 9 lakh. 9 lakh was our profit, and if we will distribute the salary out of it, then what amount will be remaining? Tell me, what amount will be remaining? 4,80,000 will be remaining if I will distribute, because out of profit only, it's an appropriation of profit. So this 4,80,000 will be distributed among the partners. Okay, this do you got from where I get this amount? Because 9 lakh was our profit, and if I will distribute salary out of that profit, this will be the remaining amount. This will be the remaining amount. 4,80,000 will be the remaining amount. So this 4,80,000 will be divided among the partners in the ratio 2 is to 2 is to 1 is to 1. See, is this clear? So this 4,80,000 is distributed among partners. 2 is to, see the amount, 2 is to 2 is to 1 is to 1. Okay. Now, so this is divided, right? Now we have already distributed the profit of 9 lakh. This 9 lakh was already distributed earlier. So we will take back it from the partner. So this amount will be debited. See, this amount will be debited. Is this point clear to you? Because we are taking back from partner and this we are giving to partner. So anything which increases the capital will be credited and anything which decreases the capital will be debited. Is this clear? Now we are writing credit here and debit here. So credit at one place and debit at one place. So when I will total this amount, so it will be 3,40,000 and the debit amount is 3 lakh. So which is higher? Credit amount is higher by 40,000. So here we will write 40,000 credit. Same way of B, we'll see, we'll add, this is 2,80,000 credit and 3 lakh debit. So 20,000 will be debited. Same way C, nothing is there. Then 80,000 credited and 1,50,000 is debited. So 70,000, the net balance will be 70,000 debit. And same way D, it is 2 lakh credit and 1,50,000 debit. So 50,000 will be credited. Is this clear? And by this automatically checking this credit, debit, credit. Okay. So automatically there will be your one adjustment entry that is on your screen, mobile screen. B is capital. See, B is 20,000 came from here. Then C also 70,000 here. Then A is 40,000 this one and 50,000 here. Is this clear? So partner who are debited with the amount, the capital will be debited, and the partner who capital are having credit balance will be credited. In this way the adjustment entry will be passed and the effect of the transaction which is not treated will come automatically. So no need to re-prepare P&L appropriation account. Will pass one single journal entry to make the adjustment, and for that purpose we will make table showing adjustment. We'll move on to another question to make it more clear. This is on your mobile screen. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3:1, right? After the final account, see, final account has been prepared, बन चुका है. It was discovered that interest on drawings नहीं दिया भैया, नहीं दिया interest on drawings. And what is the amount of interest on it? 8,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Give necessary adjusting journal entry. See, they are already given adjusting journal entry. We need not to pass the journal entry for it. We have to pass adjusting journal entry. I hope this question is clear to you. So we will quickly move on to the solution. We'll make table showing adjustment. If interest on drawings is charged from partners, then what will be the impact? Their capital will be reduced. In capital account of partners where interest on drawing is treated in the debit side, yes or no? So when interest is on drawings is charged from the partners, it will be on the debit side, yes or no? It will decrease their capital, hence it is debited. So here it is debited. See, 8,000, 6,000 and 4,000. The total is 18,000. Now when this interest is charged from the partners, what will be the impact? It will increase the profit by 18,000, isn't it? It will increase the profit, and where that profit will be treated, it will be distributed among the partners. See, this 18,000 is distributed among the partner in their PSR. Okay, so PSR is 5:3:1. So how much A will get? 10,000 credit, B will get 6,000 credit, and C will get 2,000 credit. Now debit one side, credit one side. Which is greater? In A's case, 2,000 credit. Okay, then debit is same in B case and credit also same, so there will be no amount, it will be nullified. And in case of C, 4000 debited and 2000 credited, so 2000 debited. Now we can make easily entry from A and C's capital, so it will be C's capital will be debited and A's capital will be credited. I hope this is clear to you. So this is table showing adjustment when by single adjusting entry we make the transaction count. Okay student, so sit at home, practice more question, ask more doubts, and your doubts will be entertained in the next lecture. Bye bye for now.